Hey everybody, it's Andy aka Max Rider. We're off again tonight. Busy week. We are heading to Jonesborough, Tennessee to see my friend Kristen in Singing in the Rain. She has a part in the play, so I'm going up to see it. Hooty hoo! Yeah, that's about it. I will do a little more recording en route. Alright, we are passing into Tennessee at 6:20 p.m. Wow, that is freaking bright. And the speed limit drops to 45, because people don't know how to drive faster than that in Tennessee, apparently. Man. We've made it to Hampton. Hooray. And there's Hampton Mountain. I don't know what that's called, actually. But
right on Veterans Memorial Parkway.
There's where we're stopping for dinner. Now we're passing through Elizabethton. I almost said Elizabeth City, but that's not right. Elizabethton. Ta-da! Okay, so now we're in Johnson City. And next we're off to Jonesborough.
Turn right on Main Street.
Here's Main Street in Jonesborough, downtown. Oh, look, welcome to Jonesborough, Historic District. That guy didn't even stop for a stop sign at all. Alright, so I gotta figure out where I'm parking. I know that the theater's down there on the left.
In 0.1 miles. Arrive at address 125.
It's probably African. It's like to like stay.
Alrighty, so there's where we were. There's the theater. And we're heading on home. It was an excellent show. She was waiting for me when I got home. Hi, MJ. Hi, hello. I don't want you to be able to see with that. Hey, what do you smell? Hey, good girl. Hey, little girl. You're so sweet. I don't know if we'll be even in frame. I don't care.